Hello there guys, welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop. It's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some really cool stuff. What I want to do today guys is show you how to replace a background and create shadows. Placing imagery on top of other imagery can be quite difficult in the sense of creating realism. So what I'd like to do is show you some steps of how you can place things, elements, i.e. this bottle that we have in front of us here, on different types of backgrounds to create that extra sense of realism. So what I'm going to do now is going to come through and open up my layers window. I'm just going to select these top layers here and just press backspace to delete. And I have a copy of the original bottle layer here, which I'm going to turn to normal, like so. Okay, so as you can see, I want to now place this bottle on top of this sort of silk fabric layer here. First thing I'm going to do is duplicate this layer. Shortcut to do that is Command-J on Mac or Control-J on Windows. Now with that layer still highlighted, I'm now going to come through and make a selection of our bottle here. So I'm going to use the object selection tool. Just going to come through and select it like so. So it hasn't done about 80% of the job there. So we're just going to come through and tidy this up now. I'm going to come through and make sure I use the polygonal lasso tool. I'm going to make sure that I'm removing from that selection there. Let's just come through here. Like so, wonderful. We need to sort out this. And then what we do is use the magnetic lasso tool. Just make sure we're plussing to the selection there. Fantastic. Just come through, a couple clicks over the mouse. Wonderful. There we go. Pretty good selection now, I feel. Yeah. Okay. So now what I'm going to do with that layer still highlighted is now apply a layer mask. So I'm going to come to the icon here and apply a layer mask like so. Now, with this original layer of the bottle, what I'm now going to do is come through and change the blending mode to multiply, like so. Now you can see that we can still see some of the background. So what I need to do is now add an adjustment layer. I'm going to come through and add an adjustment layer of curves. I want to make sure I use this little icon here. Let me just increase the size of that window so we can see what we're doing. Going to use this icon here just so it clips to the layer below, and I'll only be affecting the background of that shadow of the copy layer there. So if I start moving these elements here like so, you can see now the shadowing is still existing here. Maybe bring that up a little bit there like so. Wonderful. And what I may even do now is come to the top layer and add another adjustment layer of curves. Like so. Let's create another little clipping mask there, and yet again come through and just mess around with these little toggles here, manipulating the shadows and highlights. And there you have it, guys. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, the courses that we offer, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.